Hey y'all, Yaritza here. I just got the Marigold Tarot. I'm super excited. Perfect for fall, full of skeletons on skeletons on skeletons. I took the plastic off, but otherwise have not touched it. See, a 78 card tarot deck rooted in life, death, and gold. Illustrated by Amrit Brar. Hope I'm pronouncing that right, but probably not. So it comes in a two-part box that looks like it feels super high quality. It's nice and matte on the black here, and as we can see, shiny gold. So let's take a little peek, shall we? Awesome. So got the cards in here, and let's do our little flip through. Actually, before we start, let's take a look at the card back, which is gorgeous, a marigold, of course. It feels really nice. There's a bit of a gloss to it, as you can see, and then the card size is pretty typical of a tarot deck. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, I'm gonna start, of course, with the Fool. The Magician, the Empress. There's so much detail in here. I love these. The Emperor. Lovers. I really like the way they're looking at each other in that card. See, the Chariot. I was not expecting a bicycle, but I love it. Strength. I love the Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. I really like the starry night background that they all have as well. Quite a death card there. Temperance. I love the bat wings. Yeah, I really love the black and white and gold in these cards. Ooh, that's nice. The Moon, that's gorgeous. Oh, okay. Got pierced by arrows here. And then that is it for the majors. Got some teeth around here, it looks like. Alright, so let's move into the minors. Looks like we're starting with the Wands. I'm seeing a theme with flowers in place of wands, or the stems, I should say. Definitely more of a pip kind of deck, which is fine. They're beautiful, and at this point, I personally feel experienced enough to read with pip cards. I definitely did not feel that way to begin with. These are just stunning. move us into the court cards for the wands. We have our page, I feel like, yeah, page, our knight, the Ace of Cups. So I wonder if skulls are going to serve as our cups then. Yeah, looks like it. Two of Cups. I like that one a lot. Oh, I really like that. It's beautiful. Yeah, definitely perfect for October coming up. Oh, interesting. So we've got our page, knight. I like those tears falling out. Queen and king. Lots of gold here. Beautiful. Swords is up next. Looks like we're sticking with actual swords here, yeah. Nice little throwback to the Smith weight there. Cards are a little sticky. I definitely have a feeling that that is going to resolve over time as they get shuffled and stuff. I like the little sword there. I really love these. Feeling that Queen of Swords. Kind of reminds me of the Hierophant. All right, and then Pentacles was replaced by rings in this deck. It's beautiful. All right, so last few cards here. gorgeous. I love these. I don't know if there's a single card that I don't like, to be honest. Let's see, yeah, they shuffle so beautifully. Movement is a little awkward as usual because I'm doing this in front of the camera, and then, oh, I didn't even realize that they're edged in black, which is awesome. I think this is my first edged deck, to be honest. Yeah, they move really easily and nicely. I'll do a little ripple shuffle for you, and then we'll pull a card after I shuffle off screen. There is a guidebook. It's an ebook, so I will just read off of it to you. But yeah, those shuffle very, very nicely. So yeah, I'll do some more of that shuffling, and we'll take a look at what the guidebook has to say. Yeah, I've got to say, I really, really love the way that these cards feel in my hands and shuffle. So we're gonna pull for my relationship with the deck. We get the 10 of Swords. So let me pull the guidebook up here. All right, so the guidebook says, key symbols, impaled skull. This card concerns itself with matters of suffering, betrayal, and desolation. Pain has reached or is reaching an apex, and a resolution will soon be found. The skull is impaled in every possible direction, heavy with gold, and can be torn asunder at any moment, arriving at a precipice and needing a new starting point. Reversed, this card signifies power, advantage, domineering, and authority. So, as far as representing my relationship to the deck, I guess it's, if I'm being honest, probably telling me that I am gonna be neglecting some of my other decks in favor of this one for a while, which is probably accurate. It is, honestly, I knew I was gonna like the deck, but I didn't think I was gonna like it as much as I do, especially as a pip deck. So yeah, I'm really excited to get to work with it and know it a little bit better. I don't really have anything bad to say about it at all. Super, super excited. Hope you guys liked the video, and I have more on the way. So thank you again so much for being here with me. I love you guys so much. Mean it.